Hi, and welcome back to Chard's Coin and Bullion Deals YouTube channel. My name's Kieran, and today we're going to do a short video on how to remove red spots from gold coins. The gold coin we have today is a 2015 gold buffalo made by the US Mint. As you can see on screen now, this buffalo has a red spot on the reverse. Red spots can occur on the surface of the coin during the blanking process. When copper is on the surface of the coin and it mixes with the oxygen in the air, this can cause red spots. If you'd like to know more about red spots, we have a blog on our website, which we'll leave the link below. Now, I'm going to show you how to remove the red spots using everyday household items. Firstly, some of the items you'll need is a kettle. Secondly, some bicarbonate of soda. We need some aluminium foil and a bowl. For health and safety, we recommend wearing gloves. First of all, boil your kettle. Secondly, you're going to need some aluminium foil to gently wrap in your bowl. Make sure you push it all the way down. Thirdly, you're going to take some bicarbonate of soda, sprinkle a bit in the bottom. Then, place your coin face down into the bicarb, and then gently cover the top of it. So add some more bicarbonate to the top to cover that red spot. Then lastly, all you need to do is tip your boiling water and wait for the magic to happen. As you can see, that red spot is completely gone. We will now show you before and after photos on the screen. And there it is, that's the process. We'd recommend only leaving it in for a minimum of 10 seconds. Just be careful not to put your hands into boiling water. Once again, thank you for joining us today. Please do like and subscribe and leave any feedback in the comments below. We'd like to know about your red spot stories. That's all for today. Thanks again, and we'll see you again soon.